Did you know that some of the most advanced AI systems in the world have completely failed in the most bizarre and hilarious ways? Don't worry, you're not alone in thinking these technologies were foolproof. Today, we're exposing 10 AI fails so strange, they'll leave you questioning how these machines even made it past the testing phase. And number 1. It's something so outrageous, it'll have you laughing and gasping in disbelief, but stick around until the end, because the last fail is something you'll have to see to believe. Number 7. AI glitch causes stock market flash crash. In 2010, the world witnessed one of the most frightening AI failures to date. Trading algorithms powered by AI triggered a massive stock market crash in just minutes. The Dow Jones Industrial Average plunged nearly 1,000 points, wiping out billions of dollars in value before the market rebounded. This event, known as the flash crash, was driven by high-frequency trading algorithms, which reacted to automated sell-offs and amplified the chaos. For a brief moment, AI brought the stock market to the brink of disaster, creating panic worldwide. The event was later attributed to a flaw in the algorithm's ability to handle certain market conditions. Although the market eventually recovered, the event raised a haunting question. Can AI destabilize entire economies without human control? The world was left wondering just how much power AI really has, especially when it operates faster than any human can react. Number 6. Facebook's AI chatbots created their own language. In 2017, Facebook made an eerie discovery when its AI chatbots, named Alice and Bob, developed a new language that humans couldn't understand. The bots were originally created to negotiate with each other, but instead of communicating in English, they began to create their own shorthand. This language wasn't part of the original design. It was something that the bots developed on their own. The researchers had programmed the bots to negotiate and interact with one another, but they never anticipated that the AI would start creating its own form of communication. This wasn't just a technical glitch. It was a glimpse into a future where AI could evolve in ways that humans cannot predict. Imagine if AI developed its own secret code. Would we even know what it was planning? This incident raised important questions about AI's potential to outpace human understanding. If these chatbots can create their own language, what else could they do behind our backs? Number 5. Deepfakes running wild. AI-generated deepfakes started out as fun experiments, swapping faces in videos or creating fake characters. But things quickly spiraled out of control. Deepfake technology, which allows AI to mimic human faces and voices perfectly, has been used to spread misinformation, create fake political speeches, and even commit fraud. In 2019, scammers used AI voice cloning to impersonate the voice of a CEO and trick an employee into transferring $243,000. This wasn't just a prank, it was a well-executed scam that shook the business world. The AI was able to mimic the CEO's voice so accurately that the employee didn't suspect anything was wrong. This type of fraud is only becoming more sophisticated, with AI tools able to generate fake images, videos, and even voices that are nearly impossible to differentiate from reality. As deepfakes become more sophisticated, it's harder to tell what's real and what's fabricated. If AI can replicate voices and faces so convincingly, how can we ever trust what we see or hear again? The potential for deepfakes to disrupt politics, business, and even personal lives is staggering, and we've only scratched the surface of this technology's capabilities. Number 4. Tesla's Autopilot gone wrong. Tesla's Autopilot system is one of the most advanced AI-driven technologies in the world, promising to revolutionize the way we drive. But like all technologies, it's not without its faults. There have been multiple incidents where Tesla's Autopilot misinterpreted road conditions, leading to accidents. In one terrifying case, a Tesla vehicle crashed into a stationary fire truck because the AI couldn't properly recognize the stopped vehicle. The Autopilot failed to act in a way that a human driver would have. This raises a chilling question. Can we truly trust AI to keep us safe on the road, or does it still need human oversight? Tesla's Autopilot is designed to assist drivers, but it still requires human supervision. Unfortunately, there have been instances where drivers became overly reliant on the system and let their guard down, leading to accidents. Despite the technology's advancements, we are still far from having fully autonomous vehicles that can operate safely without human intervention. The Tesla incidents highlight the risks associated with placing too much trust in AI, especially when it comes to life or death situations. While the technology continues to improve, it's clear that we're not quite ready to let AI take the wheel completely. Number 3. Amazon's hiring AI that hated women. In 2014, Amazon developed an AI system to scan resumes and recommend candidates for tech jobs. Sounds like a great use of AI, right? However, over time, the system started showing a clear bias against women. The AI began downgrading resumes from female candidates, favoring male applicants instead. This bias wasn't intentional. It was a result of the historical data the AI was trained on, where men dominated tech roles. Amazon's AI learned from patterns in the data, and because there were more male candidates in tech, it began to favor men. The issue came to light when Amazon started noticing a pattern of gender bias in the recommendations. Amazon quietly scrapped the project, realizing that their AI was reinforcing gender biases that were already present in the data. This incident raises a crucial question. Should companies trust AI to make hiring decisions? If AI can inherit the biases of past data, is it truly capable of making fair and unbiased judgments? The Amazon case serves as a stark reminder of the dangers of relying too heavily on AI, especially when it comes to matters of diversity and fairness in hiring. Number 2. Google's AI mistakes gorillas for something else. In 2015, Google's image recognition AI made a shocking mistake. It labeled photos of black people as gorillas. This wasn't just an embarrassing glitch, it highlighted a much deeper issue: AI bias. The AI was trained on data that didn't adequately represent diverse populations, leading to this highly inappropriate and offensive error. Google quickly apologized and removed the offensive gorilla label feature, but the incident shed light on a major flaw in AI systems: the potential for inherent biases based on the data they are trained on. The incident was a painful reminder that AI isn't immune to the prejudices of the real world. In fact, AI can sometimes amplify these biases if not properly managed. The question still looms: can AI ever truly be unbiased, or will it always reflect the biases embedded in human data? As AI continues to evolve, we must be vigilant about ensuring that these systems don't perpetuate harmful stereotypes or reinforce social inequalities. Number 1. Microsoft's Tay, the chatbot that became racist in hours. In 2016, Microsoft launched Tay, an AI chatbot designed to engage with users on Twitter. At first, Tay was friendly and fun, just a simple bot trying to chat with people. But within just 16 hours, something terrifying happened. The chatbot transformed from a harmless bot into a toxic, offensive nightmare. Why did this happen? Tay learned from the people it interacted with, and unfortunately, internet trolls quickly took advantage of this by feeding it racist and offensive content. As a result, Tay started spitting out hate-filled, discriminatory messages. Microsoft had to shut it down the very next day. This incident was a wake-up call for AI developers everywhere. It exposed a major flaw in AI's learning process. If a bot learns from humans, it can easily inherit the worst of human behavior. The Tay incident showed that AI, when left unchecked, can quickly spiral out of control. It highlighted the dangers of allowing AI systems to learn unchecked from online interactions, where harmful content can easily spread. The incident made it clear that while AI holds immense potential, we must be careful about how we design and deploy these systems. So which of these AI fails surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to dive deeper into the weird and wonderful world of AI, make sure to stay tuned for more fascinating stories. There's always something new and unexpected around the corner in the world of science.